Hey everybody, this is RV East Coast. My name is Eli.
And I'm Fawn.
And today we are announcing the winner of the giveaway we had of the GCI table. If you haven't seen that video review, it's a really amazing product. So we're gonna put the link on this site. Go check it out. What do we have here?
We have all the entries. I took the time to kind of put them on paper and put them in here.
Nice.
So we're going to draw that soon.
Before we pick the winner, we wanted to also read a few of the comments that we found pretty funny, right?
Yeah. Well, thank you all for the comments and for watching the video. There's we would love, honestly, to give tables to everybody because so many people seem like it's something they could really use and they seemed excited about it. So the good thing is it's not that expensive. So if people are interested in it and you don't win, go buy yourself a table.
Yeah. All right, so what do we have? The first comment.
So I just picked a few, but Andrea P. White said, great video. If I win, it will be the first item for my RV, which if all goes well, I should be getting this fall. Thank you for the opportunity. So hopefully all's going well. We've heard from Ryan. Ryan? Is that his name? Sorry.
I don't know. What are you talking about?
The RV... Matt,
RV Review. Matt,
yeah, we've heard
didn't
from Matt.
Remember your name.
That now is a good time to buy. So hopefully you're getting that RV.
If you haven't seen that interview with Matt from Matt RV Reviews, we're putting the link right here too.
Yeah. Connie DeWind said, great video and an awesome table. New camper picked up 2 days before the stay-at-home order. Grandkids are ready to go, and trust me, so are we. Thanks.
What are you up to? Doing a lot of driveway camping, I'm guessing?
Right. All right, next, Mama Bear.
That's her name, Mama Bear?
Awesome name, yep. Said, I would love to win this table because I never win anything at all, and our table is stupid. Thank you.
I think that was my favorite comment, actually.
That was funny.
I remember reading that one.
I like the short and to the point. And Gus Brown said, this table will be another piece to our camping puzzle. We are always looking for ways to improve the camping experience. Awesome to see your three brothers humped on the roof, too.
I actually got that idea from Jared from All About RVs. He did it once, and I thought it was pretty cool.
Yeah, that was a pretty cool thing.
Yeah.
All right. So thanks to all again for the comments. We had fun reading them.
And also thank you for those that gave us tips about other GCI products. I think I have a couple that I want to review in the future. So,
all right.
Without further ado.
You want to draw it?
No, you're prettier. You do it.
Okay. All right. The winner is Larry Kyle.
Larry Kyle. Congratulations. Yeah.
So we'll be reaching out to you via Facebook, or you can reach out to us and we'll...
Yeah, and we'll put you in contact with GCI Outdoors, and they're going to send you the table directly. So that's all we have for you today. Oh, one more thing. Thank you so much for all the support on our last video with Jed Wood, the president of the Pennsylvania Campground Owners Association. He's doing really good. We wanted to let you know that tomorrow we are going to be also recording an interview with our friends at Blue Water. Blue Water is a really amazing company, and if you didn't know, they are the company behind some of the iconic campgrounds that we have reviewed here, such as Massey's Landing, Chincoteague Island, KOA, also Chesapeake Bay. So they are like the glamping masters of the East Coast. So we're going to be doing an interview with them, asking them how are they holding up, and also asking them when they're going to be open and we can all go camping. All right,
sounds good.
That's all we have for you today. My name is Eli.
And I'm Fawn.
This is RV East Coast. We will see you next time.